Delma Kissoon Memorial Community Contributor. Harry Sudum. Harry started out as the recreation director of the town of Fort Smith. During this time, he promoted hockey and softball. He coached and encouraged others to coach, resulting in 21 teams in the minor hockey program. On the side of softball, he coached a female softball team, Andy's Angels, for many years at various championships. All this while coaching track and field and curling, both juniors and women's teams. Through passing on his active lifestyle to the community, Harry has shown the community that it doesn't matter how old you are, you can be active and a participant in sport. He always maintains that it is so important to maintain a healthy and active lifestyle. Harry was a member of Team NWT at the 2004 Canada 55+ Games in Whitehorse, Yukon, participating in golf, again exemplifying an active lifestyle. It is because of Harry that many of the youth in Fort Smith are leading a healthy lifestyle. He always encouraged youth to be active and to participate to the best of their abilities. Your 2016 Sport North's Delma Kissoon Memorial Community Contributor is Yvonne Kareen. Taking on as much as she can, Yvonne is always happy to volunteer and help move sport forward. She is always ready to volunteer and will ask where help is needed, many times taking the role as team manager on various teams within Yellowknife, just to move the sport forward. Although Yvonne has volunteered her time for all in any sport, her most recent roles have been in basketball, volleyball, and hockey. Yvonne has been a big contributor to the high-performance basketball program in Yellowknife. She has been managing basketball teams since 2012. She coordinates fundraising events which lead up to $50,000 per year for the team. She also does the logistics for the team for basketball trips and maintains a communication strategy so all team members and parents are aware of practices, fundraising events, and tournaments. Essentially, Yvonne makes the lives of coaches that much easier and they can focus on coaching rather than all the administration work. In volleyball, Yvonne has consistently demonstrated her inspiring leadership both on and off the court. From attending annual general meetings of the association to officiating sanctioned tournaments and major games. She has been a valuable member of the volleyball community in Yellowknife and the Northwest Territories for many years. Yvonne is a regional referee of Volleyball Canada. She continues to officiate at sanctioned tournaments within the Northwest Territories, such as the Yellowknife Volleyball League Tournament, Canadian Tire Open, NWT Volleyball Association Territorial Championships, and Laurie Hobart. She has officiated at 10 Arctic Winter Games from 1990 in Yellowknife all the way to 2014 in Fairbanks, Alaska. As a true hockey mom, Yvonne expertly and capably took the reins on behalf of the 2014 Arctic Winter Games Territorial Trials host, Yellowknife Minor Hockey, to orchestrate the Midget Hockey Territorial Trials. She led a team of sterling volunteers to run a seamless trials and has the undying thanks of a grateful hockey territory. Yvonne has helped manage many minor hockey teams throughout the years, and her experience and skills have always been appreciated. Without Yvonne's dedication to the development and promotion of sport, volleyball, basketball, or hockey in the Northwest Territories, many of our athletes and sport associations would not be where they are today. Thank you, Yvonne. You have helped us push sport in the Northwest Territories to the next level. Congratulations to Yvonne Kareen, Sport North's Delma Kissoon Memorial Community Contributor.